Right. So let's move to the second question. For a continuous time signal x of t, Fourier transform is given to be this one. Okay, and they wanted to find out what is modulus of ln of x of t at t equal to 1. So let us write down x of t is a signal which will have x of j omega as the Fourier transform, and that is given by 1 by 10 plus j omega whole square. What is that? Which signal will have 1 by 10 plus j omega whole square here? This implies x of t equal to, you remember this is looking like 1 by a plus j omega whole square. So that is the corresponding signal would be t e power minus a t u of t. Okay, right. Now what is that they wanted? They wanted to find modulus of ln of x of t at t equal to 1. Okay, so at t equal to 1, let us write down what is the value. So x of t at t equal to 1 would be how much here? 1 multiplied with e power minus 10. U of 1 is again 1. Okay, so this is how much? E power minus 10. So ln of x of t, so that should be equal to how much? Ln of e power minus 10, so that should be equal to minus 10. Okay, that implies modulus of ln of x of t, okay, at t equal to 1. Okay, so that I missed it. So ln of x of t at t equal to 1. So modulus of ln of x of t at t equal to 1 should be equal to 10. So that is the answer.